Vaultek's Bluetooth app available for Android and iOS devices, you can easily view critical safe data such as battery levels, tamper indication, and a history log for when the safe has been opened. To get set up, open the app and first set your pattern lock. This is a custom pattern comprising of at least 4 dots that you draw with your finger and will safeguard your safe in the event your phone gets into the wrong hands. After setting your pattern lock, you can now select your safe from the pairing list to connect. The first step is entering the safe's master code, which is the same code used to open the safe using the keypad. Next, you will sync your phone to the safe by pressing and holding keys 4 and 5, followed by the program button until the LCD screen confirms pairing is in progress. Press OK on the app screen to complete the sync. Once paired, you can adjust your safe preferences, such as toggling the sound on and off and setting the interior LED light brightness. You even have a remote entry point with a simple swipe of your finger. By default, this feature will be disabled, but you can enable remote unlock by pressing and holding keys 1 and 4 followed by the program button. Pro MX series safes have their own set of unique preferences within the app. Users can adjust impact detection sensitivity, set the smart key entry mode, and enable dual entry.